today we're going to do responsive web, responsive design or whatever, right? And the easiest way, you'll see a bunch of media queries and things like that, right? Don't do that. Don't do that. Because what you want to do is have a layout builder. A layout builder is going to allow you to, like, it's going to, because if you take a media query, you're going to have to kind of like refresh the page, you know, if you're on the web, in order to get the resize to work. So let's set this up right here, right? So it's a layout builder that we're gonna need, right? So let's go over here, okay, and we'll do it like we're used to it, and we'll set up a stateless widget. We can start up a stateful widget. Let's do stateless. Make this easy, okay? And we'll call this app, because this is what we're doing up here, app, right? And we'll take this out here, this container out here, and then we'll put a material app in here, material app, okay, and you got to have a home in here, okay. You come down here, okay, home, and then this is where we put the layout builder, okay. And this should give me a build method, and see, IntelliSense is wonderful with this, right? All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna basically make two different layouts right here, right? So let's go back to this page right here, right? And it's saying if the max width of the page is bigger than 600, then we're gonna show a bigger screen, wide screen. Else we're going to show you know, a normal container, right? So we'll just do mobile, and we'll just do like a regular web page, and or not like a regular web page, like a regular size, and then we'll do a mobile size. So if constraints dot max width is it large, yeah, if it's larger than 600, then we're going to show we're going to return a this is going to be a local variable, large screen. You can't type today, wherever really, okay. And then if it's anything else, we're going to return a small screen. So we have to terminate that. It's not go. So, all right, let's put this here. Okay, now we have to create these functions right here, right? We could use a widget, but we'll just do a function that returns a widget, and that'll make this tutorial shorter, because I'm building up to do a project. So. And then we'll return some sort of widget, and then we'll put, okay, widget, and then a small screen, okay, return some type of widget, right? Okay, so here on the large screen, we'll let's go with we'll go with a container. And you know you have to put a child in there, right? And then what we'll do is we'll use a fractionally sized box. Right? So we can make it like 70% or whatever, right? So in order to make it like 70%, I don't know why it always does that. In order to make it like, we have to put in a width factor. So we'll put a width factor of 70, right? Or not 70, 0.7, okay? And then we have to make a child to that. You know, we'll make this a center widget, so it goes in the center of the page. Okay, and then we'll put a container here. Wow. Okay, we'll put a container here. Container here, And we'll put alignment, alignment dot center. Oof, what is going on with my keyboard today? Alignment dot center. I think it's just picking up where the mouse is going. And then we'll make the child here, and we'll use our old trusty text box. So we'll put. Wow, this keyboard does not want to work with me today. All right, so text, and we'll call this. Call this hello large. Okay, and we'll put a color on this container. So colors dot what do we want? Let's say blue gray right there, right? And then on this text box we'll style it a little bit. I'll just make things nice here. We'll put a text style in here. Style. And we'll make this color, call this blue. Colors dot blue. Okay. All right. So we have this fractionally sized box, so it'll only take up 70% of the screen, right? So when we have a small screen, we'll take up all the screen. So we're going to say container, center. I don't even think we need a center, but we're going to do that anyway, right? Center, child, and we'll put a container in here. And then we'll put the width to double dot infinity, so that it'll take up the whole screen. And then we'll put a color on here. We'll put colors dot blue gray. Okay. What we got here? Okay, then we got to put a child here. Okay, so child. All right, now we'll put that text. Let's just copy this right here. Make it easy on ourselves. What just happened there? So put width in here. I swear this keyboard does not want to be my friend today. I don't know why this keeps doing that. I don't know why that did that. Okay. I wish it would take it on another line. I don't want to do this all on one line. This is very hard to read. I'll put this child into here. Alright, we have to terminate this right here. And just make sure everything's right. What do we got? We'll terminate this too. Or no, that's not the right one to terminate. We'll terminate this one here with the center. Okay. Is there another one we gotta put there? Okay, I think there's another one. Okay, we need another one too after that. There we go. Alright, so we'll test it on Flutter Web like always. Flutter run -d, and we'll put Chrome. Okay. Okay, so you see, come on, man, I'm not updating you. You see that we have hello large when it's more than 60, and the screen reacts to the size, right? So now when we get down there, now we have now it takes up the whole screen, but we've got to put this in. We've got to do a couple things here. So on a small screen, we'll put alignment.center, alignment.center. Okay, let's see what that does. All right, there we go. We got hello small now. So bam, 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 and that's basically it. You'll just you can create widgets so that you can do so you can do state management, but this is just the easiest way. So basically this is the pattern right here, right? You're gonna make your material app, and you're gonna make your home widget, or if you have routes in there, you'll make the top level widget a layout builder, and you'll choose between the screens, and you'll create multiple screens for it, right? That's the easiest way and the most responsive way. So thank you for your time and attention.